fuck out of here. Got me a herb. Get that shit. There we go. That's the proper way. Got myself a beautiful necklace. Oh fuck no. Fuck that. You really didn't need to be here, bro. Nobody was calling you, bro. You were good. 2 piece in the ass. Yo, bro, you helped me. Thanks, man. I can throw an axe to his ass. God damn it. Turns out you weren't helping me. Shit, man. The fuck? Automatic pistol. What the?
Stay down, alright?
Yeah, bitch. How you like that?